Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about 3 best crypto exchanges for 2022. If you are still struggling to make money online or you are just a beginner at making money, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's get started with today's video without wasting too much of your time. Crypto exchanges are the places where traders can buy, sell, and change cryptocurrencies. They are needed to trade cryptocurrencies on the scale that is done now. Some exchanges offer the cheapest prices or fastest fees, while others focus on financial services. Find out what these crypto exchanges are, how they work, and which one you should use. Our top choices for cryptocurrency exchanges. Binance has the lowest fees. Coinbase is best for beginners, while Gate.io is best for new coins. 1. Binance. Even though Binance was only started in 2017, it has already had a big effect on the cryptocurrency market. It is one of the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, with over 500 cryptocurrencies available in over 180 countries. Binance has become more popular because it lets cryptocurrency traders trade almost any other coin on the market. Binance is a website where people can trade cryptocurrencies, and all they need is $10 to get started. 2. Coinbase. Coinbase is the most well-known and one of the best places to buy and sell cryptocurrencies because you can directly invest with USDT. You can buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and more than 30 other coins and tokens on this platform. You can also earn interest on your USDT and token prices by participating in various activities. 3. Gate.io. CoinMarketCap says that Gate.io gives users access to more than 600 different coins. This makes it perfect for expert crypto traders who want to find less common altcoins. There are hundreds of other crypto exchanges, but most of them are not safe, have been hacked, or are vulnerable to being hacked. So we've picked the most trustworthy and well-known cryptocurrency platforms for you. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video. You must take action to get results. And don't forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't also forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in my next video.